in the Russian parliament. Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov has hailed ties between Russia and India. Lavrov said that India and Russia have converging goals and objectives. I have Arzu Seth joining me with more details. Arzu, what more can you tell us about this breaking news that we're sharing with our viewers?
Well, yes, Russian Foreign Minister Sergei has praised the strong ties between India and Russia, stating that both the countries have converging goals and objectives. And speaking in the Russian parliament, this is what the foreign minister has highlighted the significance of the relationship, emphasizing that India and Russia are working together towards the common goals. And in fact, the India and Russia partnership is built on the foundation of mutual trust, respect, and cooperation in various fields, including defense, energy, technology. In fact, the two countries have been strategic partners since 2000 and have consistently worked together on global issues. And recently, Russian president was in India and have got a huge welcome here in India. And now the Russian foreign minister has praised the strong ties between the two countries and stated that India and Russia have converging goals, objectives, speaking in the Russian parliament. Yes.
All right, Arzu, thanks for joining me. Now, the Director General of Pakistan's ISPR, Lieutenant General Ahmad Sharif